Good morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Today I'm going to talk to you about my 2004 Nissan Titan 4x4 LE. If you have problems like I do with this little critter, the ignition switch, I replaced one last summer. And over the winter, for some reason, this one wouldn't start if it was under 40 degrees. So I replaced it, and then it started happening again. Now, to avoid this in the future, I put a new one in, but we're not going to use it. Not all the way. We're going to put in one of these. I put in one of these heavy-duty 50 amp 12-volt LED on-off push button to start switches. Now, this one calls for 3 wires. One is going to be a brown wire heading to the starter. That's your trigger wire. The green wire, that's the dark green, is going to go, that's your hot wire, to the battery. And then the number 3 wire, that's going to be negative or ground. That's only if you want the light on when you push it. There's a different configuration if you want the light always on. I don't want the light always on. As a matter of fact, I don't even want it lit. So I excluded the ground wire. Now, from the information that I found online, the 12-volt constant wire is the green wire. The starter trigger wire is the brown wire. Now, you're going to have a light green wire, and you're going to have a black and red wire and a purple wire. You're going to have 6 wires. So, and you're going to have the red wire, the red wire. That's an ignition switch harness. It's for the heater blower. The purple wire is for the heater blower. And the black and red is for ignition 1. I'm assuming that's for like your light cluster. And then the light green is for starter 2. That's for a different wire. That's if you have a remote start on your vehicle. Now, my vehicle had an aftermarket security system that I pulled out, and it already had the T-tap wire connectors in those wires. So when I disconnected and took out the starter wire, I left the T-taps in. And that's all I had to do was put connectors on the ends of my wires here and just connect into the green wire and the brown wire. And then we'll go outside and I'll show you how that works. See you in a minute. Okay, you still need the keys for this, for it to work. Put it in here. Put the key on. Turn it to the on position. And then this is the button right here. Start recording. You just push that button and it starts. No need to crank the key all the way to the start position. You just leave the key on and it starts every time. Now, to shut it off, you just shut it off the same way. You cannot push it to start without the key. So again, that's for if you turn the wheel or you turn the key to start it and it clicks and nothing else. It does not start. This is my 2004 Nissan Titan 4x4 LE. If you like this video and if it was helpful to you, give me a like, subscribe. I'm always doing different videos for different things. I might show some of the mods that I have on the truck. It does have its own Starlink system for traveling and stuff like that, and different things. So I'm going to be adding a solar system in for it and everything. So again, have a good day. Hope this helps you.